But ito, pinag-uusapan natin ang iba't ibang klase ng divination ng panghuhula. Kanina we talked about seed reading as a way to see the future. At ngayon, another exciting discussion about panghuhula through the faith with first seed. But before that, mag-face-to-face muna ang susunod na ating mga guests, one of the hottest love teams ngayon. Yee! Sheena Lily and Rainier Castillo. Good evening! Welcome! Okay, at ngayon, tinanungan natin kung nababasa ni Rainier at Sheena ang sinasabi nila to each other by reading each other's eyes. With naman ito, ang game natin ay tinatawag na I do like that. Alright, so mechanics, magtatanong kami sa inyo, answerable by I do or I don't, at bago yung taas ang placard, kailangan nyo munang magtitigan para malaman kung ano ang sagot ng isa't isa. The first question, Yuan, do you find each other cute? So, pa-cute, eye to eye muna. Umiiwas agad, Yuan. Already? One, three. I do! Ba! Sweet ang dalawang ito, Ito na. Do you see yourself na may in love sa isa't isa? Titigan muna ulit. Bonggang-bonggang titigan. Baka nahihiya. Puro buhok. Ay! May violent. Sagot. Ano kaya? Ang sagot? Naku, I do! Yan. Positive lahat ng sagot, Okay. Ayan. Ngayon naman, do you take each other as real-life sweethearts? Real life, This is it. Yeah. This is it. I do agad! Nagka-type lang. Yun. Ready? Get set. Go. Pwede! Dito sila nagkatuloy sa full-time mom. Like Christina and Rainier, nagkabasahan na sila ng mata, pero gaano katotoo ba sa mata o sa mukha ng tao, mababasa ang ugali at ang future mo?
When it comes to face reading, may mga different levels of looking at it.
Okay.
But when it comes to yung general feature ng face, one thing lang yun. Generally, may basic color at shape style. That's circle, oblong, and square. Okay, I do the reading for
you start now.
Okay, so when it comes to, I'll start with
Rainier first. Kailangan super lapit ba? Hindi naman.
Be in a distance.
Okay.
Mas clear, mas malapit, mas malinaw yung shape.
Okay.
So I'll do first with Sir Rainier. Ang nakita kong shape ng face niya is similar to Christine Oblong. But in a different way. Yung sa'yo, yung pagka-oblong ng face mo, there's this thing na in you na kailangan i-expand pa. So it's a matter of growing up ngayon. Not growing up in a sense of attitude, but growing up when it comes to kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. So like kung gusto mo pa ng maraming career, grow up or expand more yourself and go out to your comfort zone. Okay? So
as you said, the face, what else aside from the shape of the face do you look at?
Okay, so I do look at then, besides the face, the lucky color of the person. So I call it the secret color. So kay Sir Rainier, I do a reading na kanina, beforehand, ang lumabas sa kanyang color is white and green. So
based on the face?
Based on the face na lumabas, or we call it the aura. So lumalabas din po yun. Besides dun sa lucky color mo sa self mo, lumalabas din yun. So kay Sir Rainier, it's white. White was the color of purity.
So there's more white. Mga females swerte, mas maganda yung energy kapasok na.
Correct.
Swerte.
Hindi lang po yun. It's a matter of wearing white, especially on his day of birth. Somewhat like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Kasi Rainier kasi kanina, nakita kong date of birth niya is Monday. Okay? So wear white always on Monday. Follow my advice, you will be great. So hindi lang better. Great.
So we have the face, the aura, or your lucky colors, and then is there anything else?
Okay. So beside pa sa nakita ko, actually i-combine ko na lang yung nakita ko sa kanya at saka kay Ma'am Sheena.
Okay.
So it's a matter of combination of both. I-reveal ko kung ano yung general na nakita ko sa kanya. Kaya medyo significant yung answers nila kasi I do look on, hindi lang sa mata nila, but how they feel. Kasi another gift given from me is a clairaudience. So I can hear simple heartbeats and be interpreted.
Oh, okay.
So, I can also hear kung may problema sa puso ang isang tao.
I mean, physically as an illness. As an illness?
And as yung future niya.
Okay.
Okay, so, okay na yung kay Sir Rainier. I'll go on with Ma'am Sheena Halili. Okay, so sa inyo po, ang nakita ko, ang general face, face shape is round. Okay, so round, yan, ang ibig sabihin ng round shape, it's the shape of circle or money. So, generally lang, or siya yung, kay Sir Rainier, more ang kailangan mag-expand. Kay Ma'am Sheena, pusang darating.
Maswerte, ibig sabihin, more lang, parang ganun.
Maswerte din ang color ng round. At yan ang mga mababait na tao.
Wow!
Sabi sa'yo, we are based on That's a matter of... So yung kabaitan, hindi lang panlabas, at kabaitan sa loob. Okay? So another thing, yung secret color ni Ma'am Sheena is actually red and green. Although contrast siya, but red is the color of what's called color of manipulation. So what you want, you will get. Simple thing. Just wear red. Okay? So another thing din doon, besides dun sa color, sa shape, I do look on the pinanganak. It's Friday. Okay, so a simple interpretation of Monday and Friday. Monday is the day of love and divination, while Friday is the day of fertility and love. So significantly, if yung Monday at Friday, parehas na silang may love. So kung compatibility reading ang titignan natin, they are very much more compatible to each other.
Nice!
Another proof kung bakit sila compatible. Iko-combine natin yung white ni Sir Rainier at yung red ni Ma'am Sheena. It means pink. And generally, pink is the color of love. So, ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko, guys, yung mga fans na look forward sa team up na itong dalawa.
Teka, paubo lang nga.
It means...
Anong question? Paano pag yung shape ng face, does it change pag tumataba o pumapayat ng isang tao?
So, ang reading naman po dun is not on the physical shape, but on the aura.
Okay.
Or yung inner shape, hindi lang dun sa, like, may curves. Kasi pag na-aksidente ang tao, generally magde-deform. Or yung given deformed na siya at birth. So, ang titignan mo dun yung how the chi follows sa mukha nila. So, hindi lang basta shape ang titignan.
How about the eyes? Do you also read the eyes?
So, generally, the eyes is the window of our soul.
Yes.
So, by the eyes, I look on to the, hindi lang siya shape, but inside the eye, or what's inside there. So, meron tayong tinatawag na visions, and sa inyo po, for example, I do see crosses in your eyes.
Crosses?
So, cross. So, it means, kung dadagdagan ang iyong pananalangin, it means magiging successful ka. And why? Bakit nag-appear yung cross sa eye mo? Naka-wear po kayo ng violet. Violet is the color of God, or spirituality. So, nag-reflect po yun.
What if I wore?
So, kung mag-wear po kayo ng different color, generally, mag-iiba rin yan. It's a matter of yung condition ng cell ang nakikita when it comes to the face.
Or paano yung sakit? Ano bang
shape ng face? Okay. Kay Ma'am Suzy, ang nakita ko sa is simply round na may halong oblong. So, looking on it, ay siguro, father mo is round, or si mother is round, or combination ng round and oblong. Okay. And it means when it comes to your eyes, hindi lang, ang nakikita ko si more on pyramid. Pyramid is the shape of success, or yung tinatawag natin triangle. That's why, pyramid dito, guys. That's why po ang mga Egyptian is a very successful culture dahil nagtayo sila ng mga pyramids. Okay? Hindi lang doon. Pyramid, kung babalik this one, it means getting blessing from above. Okay? So, parehas kayo on the sides eh. Kaya I do look onto this side muna kasi this is more on growth and expansion. Okay. This side is more on blessing.
Wow! Ito naman, girl! Parang yung sa'yo, diba yung sa book, yung lost symbol? Diba yung the Mason, ano ba yun?
Yes.
Wala sa mga pyramid.
I do say na isa dun sa mga, siguro isa sa mga staff nila nag-research na, is a psychic. So they do not just make stories, they consult professionals.
Interesting. Siyempre, up next after face reading, pupunta naman natin ang palm reading. Ano makikita sa inyong mga palad sa pagbabalik ng Full Time Mom.